Hi, Katarina here with Beauty Junkies. Today I'm going to share with you how to use the Pro Detailer brush to precisely contour areas around your face such as your nose, under your lip, and in the creases of your eyes in just a very few easy, simple steps. So let's begin. Starting off by taking your brush and getting a little bit of contour powder on there. We're going to start first right here under the lip. Contouring under the lip is going to make the lip appear larger, it's going to make it appear more pouty, and it's going to just kind of bring this bottom lip out. So you just want to use small strokes, just kind of creating a very, very faint but small shadow, and you can see how it just kind of starts to pull the lip out. This brush makes it so easy to contour these precise areas because it has a very slight pointed tip, but it's also fluffy at the same time, so it's an all-in-one. You can place it and blend it out together as well. Next, contouring the nose. If you want to make your nose appear shorter, go ahead and place some product here on the end of your nose, the bottom of your nose. This is going to help kind of shorten up the nose. And then if you want to make your nose appear straighter and slimmer, go ahead and take some product just right here on the sides of your nose. And then lastly, one of my favorite tricks is taking a contour powder and putting this right into the crease of your eye. This is contouring your eye. So on those days that you don't want to wear a lot of makeup, this is a perfect trick because it's going to give the appearance that you have a larger, more sunken in eye that everybody loves, and it's just going to make your eyes appear more wide awake, and it's effortless because it's the same product that you're using to contour with. So now to blend, I'm going to take the brush and just wipe off any excess right here on the back of my hand, and then we're just going to start blending downwards here on the nose, just to make it look like we have a natural shadow. And there you have it, how to precise contour the face in just a very few easy, simple steps using the Pro Detailer brush.